Hello guys, welcome back to Seller Sprite. It's chapter 5. Today we're gonna talk about the Excel sheet. Despite we use different software, even Seller Sprite, we sometimes need a spreadsheet to write down everything to see everything under one table. It's gonna help us to see visually everything clear. At the same time, we can understand, okay, why this brand is selling better, what's the correlation between different brands and the ASIN and the seller. There are different methods to create this kind of the Excel spreadsheet. So today I'm gonna share mine, which is, I believe, very visual. You can see clearly comparison, correlation between the reviews, price, brands, and everything detail by detail. Furthermore, we can do same things in terms of ASIN, brands, and the seller level, even the country level. Plus, at the end, I'm gonna show you the very good trick. With using that trick, you can understand the market average ad spend. What's the percentage of total traffic the different sellers got from advertising? Maybe ASIN first, ASIN second, ASIN 3, ASIN 5, etc. They are getting more and more traffic from advertising. It means in this market, you need to spend a lot of money for advertising. So I'm gonna share my screen. At the same time, we are gonna put Excel sheet on the description. So you can use it for your product to generate a product spreadsheet for yourself. Let's go and analyze it by sharing the screen. Here we are on the Excel. Like you see, there is an Excel I prepared before for some product. Meanwhile, you can see the sales. There are different ASINs and the monthly sales growth, revenue, price, etc. Next one is very detailed report like seller Sprite report. Here we are gonna see listing concentration, different listing sales, and here we are gonna see brand name. Also, when we go down, we can see the brand concentration. Like this brand has only one product, this brand has two products. The combination sales of this is like over 3,800 unit sales proportion, new product sales, etc. It's very detailed report. Like you can see same thing for seller concentration or different sellers from different countries like Korea, China, America, Colombia, etc. How we can create this very clean and accurate report, I'm gonna show you, and we are gonna prepare one report for you. Okay, let's open one new sheet and say it as the name. What's it? Test. Come to Amazon. Search Amazon. I'm gonna put here baby longer. Probably we can do it for the same keyword. Any keyword is okay. Here we prepared it for baby longer. I want to make it for baby longer as well here. Search baby longer. Then now I'm running Chrome extension to see how is the sales. So from up to down, we are gonna see different sellers, and now the purpose is to create a Excel file. Like here we see 37 products. Here we are gonna find a similar product. Now we have 51 products here. Just be sure there is not any duplicated ASIN or variation. For that, you can use just a clean. Maybe if this is the same, just remove it. Now I'm copy all the ASIN from here, the Chrome extension, copy all ASIN. The reason is, there is a sponsor brand, and the video ads, the more results. I'm also messed up with a lot of different feeds. Now I don't want that. I copy all those ASIN, come to Seller Sprite, okay? Now here we have URL builder tool. It's free, you can use it totally free. Under that, come to target ASIN URL, just paste all those ASIN I copied from here. There is a, when we have the Chrome extension, copy all ASIN, there is a function. I copy all those ASIN and I put here, create, and then now open. We are gonna see very clean and detailed report, only ASINs, no sponsor brand, no more result, no editorial recommendation or 4+ star, etc. Only the ASIN we have selected. I'm gonna run the Chrome extension. There are 48 ASINs, some were duplicated, which were removed. Okay, here we are gonna see all the reports according to revenue. We can sort it. Now I'm gonna export it. Export to create an Excel. I wanna create a new Excel. Just export it. It will take maybe, it's already downloaded. I'm gonna open it and copy that Excel and paste to our Google Doc. Meanwhile, for further information, we need to analyze this report is for market analysis. It also takes 1-2 minutes. While we are going to copy some of them, so we can let it to prepare another report to view it. Come to Seller Sprite, and now we see those product report here. I'm just clicking download, and it will create the report for us. Export as an Excel. You can export it as a PDF. Now I need as an Excel, and view it now. Now this report is being creating. We are waiting. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Let's go back to our Excel to copy, which we downloaded. It should be here. Yeah, this one. We downloaded, copy it, and paste to our Google Doc. Then we can upload or we can copy that Excel. It should be here. Yeah. Okay. How it looks like. We are gonna see product image, ASIN, product brand overview, etc. There are many information. Some of them we don't need. For example, this one I don't need. Brand URL. Search ranking, title, bullet point, URL. I don't need that one because that's more messy. I removed it. Image URL, sometimes we need, the parent ASIN don't need. So I delete this one. Of course, it's up to you which one is important for you. You can keep it. Which one you don't need, just you can remove it. Meanwhile, this stuff I don't need, so I'm just removing from the Excel. This also don't need. Which one has the Amazon choice badge, etc., etc. I don't need duration, time, the process, etc., weight or size. If you need, just you can keep it. It's very comprehensive data. Now save this Excel, and I'm going back to my baby longer sheet and the test. Come to file, import. From here. We are gonna upload. Now I'm just uploading that Excel here. Just wait a second. Okay, it's importing. Import data. That Excel will come here with all those images and all those information open now. Okay, insert new sheets, replace. Okay, here we have like product images, ASIN, brand name, image URL, muscle size, everything, very clear data. So we can see the monthly sales or revenue, everything here is very clear to understand. And then later, if you need, you can use it for your reference. For example, if you want to sort according to monthly revenue descending or sales descending or whatever the number, you can use it easily. So from here, we can say scroll revenue Z to A. Yeah, this the ASIN, this guy, who is this guy, is crashing absolutely almost 1 million. And the next guy, this is also selling too much. We can see from here revenue descending. That's the number one, the Excel. So number two, we don't need this one, just delete it. Okay. Number two, how we create brand report. Now I'm going to this one. Just a few minutes ago, we ordered to download. I hope it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Download it. And I just let me pull it the desktop. Okay, here we are. Here's the data as well, like sample type. I'm going to a listing concentration. Listing concentration here, we have different listing, different sales, etc. So same method you can do, import, or you can just copy. Like I copy this one, come to our Excel, this one, and they put in here this data, and they give it a name as listing concentration. Maybe it's not that zoom in. I can zoom in a little more. Okay, and here also a little bit closer. Yeah, listing concentration. Put it the red color or whatever the color you like. You can put it here. This is the number one. It's going down. Okay. Next one, I need to create brand concentration as the like this one. Listing concentration, brand concentration. I'm going back to the same Excel. On the sheet, you can go to right to see different brand concentration. We see the brand concentration. Any of this data you don't need, you can remove from here, like products, new product sales ratio, revenue, new revenue, like the ratings, etc. If you don't need, just you can delete it. I copy this one, and they come back to our Google Doc right here, brand concentration. Put it that Excel here and go back to next one. So from here, it's very easily how many, for example, this brand, Bright Starts. This guy has 3 products and monthly sales over 10,000 units last month. Total sales proportion was 13% in terms of total market sales. New product sales, they don't have new product. What we are meaning by saying new product meaning the product is product launched within last 6 months. So it's supposed as a new product, but they don't have any new product. Probably they launched the product before 6 months or ago. New product sales 0%, and we see all product monthly revenue. We see their total, that brand's total revenue. Also, here is very tricky question. Total revenue of only those 3 products. Not maybe they sell something else. Maybe they say they sell another product like hairbrush or the electronic product or something like that. No, we are not supposing that. We are only supposing these 3 products under this subcategory. Bright Star, they have, even I can go to Bright Star to find their Bright Star. Yeah, this guy. I'm just going to show you their storefront. Let's find this one. Who is this guy? Yeah, this one. and they probably have many products. Let's open this that's sold and by Amazon. It's difficult to see. Let's another one with different with more the products like this one. This guy main dome. Find it. This ASIN. See how many products they have in this baby subcategory. Especially here, our Excel shows like how many products it shows. Yeah, this product, and I'm opening its storefront here as well. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 products. This guy has 4 products. Maybe this is not the suppose, but because there is no information about this product, they don't have any sales or any revenue. We don't suppose it as a product, but we only suppose and collect their baby longer, not another product. I mean, in this subcategory when we are calculating. Yeah, 3 products. We suppose its total sales, you can see here, and the total market share in terms of sales or total market share in terms of revenue, it's different. If you want to find out the countries, again, go back, seller concentration. This is the seller concentration. It means different sellers' revenue and the sales. Also, I'm copying this one, come back to Google Doc, writing here seller concentration. And putting that data here. The firstly is Amazon. There is a vendor central. They are selling 5 products, new products. There is no new product, and they are responsible over 34% of total market. It's dominating. Probably vendor or Amazon itself selling this. Next one is Keto Max, and you can see it, 23%, etc. You can see all those data here. Different sellers, revenue, sales, and they're sharing in terms of market revenue or sales. Fulfillment, most of the time it's FBA, no need. A+ content, it's fine, no need. I think origin of seller, different country, like they are the seller from, let's copy. This is also very important data to analyze who we are gonna compete. Put it here, like from China, 30 sellers, America 10, Hong Kong 2 sellers, Canada 1, Israel has 1 seller. So this is also important to understand who we are gonna compete. It ultimately helps us to strategize our marketing situation, marketing way. This is also very important, launch dates. It helps us to understand the product launch recently, how it is. Last 1 month, 2 product launch. Last 3 months, 4 product launch. Last 6 months, 16 product launch. So it means that's okay, not bad. And in the market, there is 7.32% in terms of sales proportion. Those 16 guys who launched the product within 6 months. Or last 1 year, we can say all those that launched the product. It's very good if you see this kind of the metrics. It's fine to launch the product, but of course, we need to more detail to analyze. But in this market, it seems, yeah, there is new coming products and it's fine. Publication time, you can also see according to different years. In 2019 or 23, 24, this year, yeah, already it's the January 20, something like that. Now, says one guy already has launched this year. In 2025, 29 guys launched the product. So it means in this market, it's okay to launch new product. Ratings, you can understand also. I'm just copy this one and there were 1 or 2 more because I don't want to keep it longer. Yeah, there are some guys, 18 products. They have review between 1 and 50. And the monthly revenue is the total revenue here. And 50 to 100 reviews, seller like 8, and you can see here. So this is the report we create. And when we create this report, we have everything on our hand. Like you can see the seller says, ASIN, what's the monthly sales, what's the monthly revenue, variation revenue or price, or how is the price range. You can understand from here how many ratings they have, gross margin, data available when they launched this product, etc. And brand report is also here, like the ASIN brand, product title, like you can see different listing sales, and you can see different brand sales, or you can see different seller sales, how is the sale in the market, etc. You can understand from here as well. So guys, this is the Excel we daily use, and I hope it's helpful for you as well, because it's gonna ease our work too much, and keep everything inside of one Excel. Whenever you need to analyze data, you can go to here to check detail, see different competitors, see their sales, reviews, launch time, profit, different months, revenue, etc. Thank you for watching. See you on next videos.